still ahead. There's one spot in Wynwood where 50 Cent stops for a mouth-watering menu.
Sunday Brunch is taking over the Caribbean hotspot, Dukunoo Jamaican Kitchen in Wynwood.
This place is so hot, even rapper 50 Cent wanted to be a part of it. He's teaming with Dukunoo to bring his liquor brand to the menu and maybe a little bit to Alex Miranda.
Okay, I love that deal. Now, if it's free, I'll take any bottle of anything. The hip-hop mogul teamed up with Dukunoo, like you just heard, to spice up their Sunday brunch with his Branson cognac, some one-of-a-kind drinks, and his hit songs. 50 Cent once famously said, well, Deco found him at Dukunoo Jamaican Kitchen in Wynwood, bringing the bottles and the vibes. The hip-hop mogul made a surprise visit at the restaurant to kick off its new eating experience, Nostalgia Brunch.
We wanted to give Wynwood another brunch experience that's not only just sitting down and eating, but dining while you listen to good vibes, good music.
Those vibes she's talking about, it's all the hottest songs from yesteryear, y'all. And what better special guest than 50 himself?
The most popular time for 50 Cent was during what, the 2000s, the early 2000s. And we wanted nostalgia to be kicked off with early 2000s music.
But a soundtrack isn't the only thing the rapper brought with him.
We really wanted to try his cognac in a lot of our drinks, and we had the new Branson Manhattan. I'm a New Yorker, so that's a very important name to me.
Made with 50's Branson VSOP Royal Cognac, sweet vermouth, and garnished with an orange peel, it's already a house fave.
It was a big hit during brunch, and I'm pretty sure that people will love it when they come.
And what about the food? You can choose from cheesy lobster mac and cheese to creamy shrimp and grits. But the star of the show is
the French toast. You could ask anybody here. I mean, French toast is so basic, right? It's like everybody has a French toast. But if you try this French toast, it has like this, a touch of our rum.
It won't get you drunk, but it will make your taste buds sing.
The food was the best thing I've ever tasted. Absolutely delicious. The drink was so refreshing. I cannot wait to come back and drink even more.
Forgive me for saying cheesy mac and cheese. I heard myself back. It was like, that is the most redundant statement of all time. Dukunoo's Nostalgia Brunch officially kicks off this Sunday. Walk-ups are welcome, but the food spot recommends reservations to avoid long wait lines. For information, visit our website at WSPN.com and click on links mentioned. Who knew 50 Cent was already nostalgia music, girls? But which artist did it recently dawn on you is actually considered nostalgia now?
When she said that, I was like, what? Then I was like, yeah, I guess so. It is 2025. I think all the performers of that time, DJ Laz, Pitbull, T-Pain.
That's why I like vintage.
Vintage. Old stuff.
That's what she says. I say vintage. I'm not vintage. I was born last year.